next year. Okay, I don't know if I can show this, but we'll make it like angry. Okay, I don't know if I can show this, but we'll make it like. Okay, I don't know if I can show this, but we'll make it like. Oh yeah, I gotta get my charger for my phone before it dies. Okay. Whew. Wireless charging, of course, since you guys can't see the cord. Since you guys can't see the cord. Since you guys can't see the cord. And I'm getting a bunch of captions in different languages. So if you can't understand me, well, I guess they can't understand me anyways. But yeah. So if you can't understand me, well, I guess they can't understand me anyways. But yeah. And then when I was in Osaka, I was like walking around and I randomly found this shrine and I saw this lady, this cute oba-chan feeding all these cats, and it was really cute, and I took a picture and you can't see her face, so it's totally fine. Yeah, this is really cool. And you can't see her face, so it's totally fine. I stayed in a few different places while I was in Japan, like a few different hotels. Like 3 different ones. And the last one I was staying at was one that was really high up, and it had a nice view. So I can't really complain because it was nice, but I get so paranoid. I'm just like, what if there's an earthquake? And you can go inside. Okay, the people go inside, but the monkeys stay out, and the monkeys are just like everywhere. And then once you get inside, you can buy a bag of apples or a bag of peanuts, and you can feed the monkeys, and it only costs like 200 yen. And this was in Kyoto, and look, it's like a little statue, and it's got a bunch of moss growing on it. He's like, I can't hold all this moss, you know? DVR is on, by the way. Well, I can't turn it off right now, unfortunately. Maybe if I restart the stream,